my first teacher.
My father is my first hero.
मैं जमीरुन निसा और शिफा को दावत देता हूँ इंग्लिश जबान में माँ बाप पर डायलॉग पेश करें।
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Sifa Begum. I study in class 8. Today I am going to speak about my lovely mother.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Zamir Nisa. I study in class 10. Today I am going to speak about my respected father.
My mother is the heart of our home.
My father is the strength of our home.
My mother teaches me how to speak with love.
My father teaches me how to love you forever.
My mother stays awake when I am sick.
My father works hard when the whole world sleeps.
My mother wipes away my tears.
My father works hard when the world sleeps.
My mother prays for me every day.
My father learns everybody to do hard work.
My mother is my first teacher.
My father is my first hero.
My mother fills my life with kindness.
My father fills my life with confidence.
Our mother's love is pure and endless.
Our father's effort is silent but priceless.
Paradise lies among the feet of mothers.
I respect my father is the strength of our home.
Without my mother, life feels empty.
Without my father, life is difficult.
My mother is my comfort.
My father is my protection.
She teaches me good manners.
He teaches me discipline and responsibility.
My mother is my smile.
My father is my inspiration.
If my mother is with me, I am the richest child in the world.
Our father is not just our father silently sacrifices his whole life for children.
No language can describe a mother's love.
Behind every successful child there is a working father.
Jannah lies under the feet of mothers.
Our father is not just our parent, he is a real life superhero.
I love my mother more than my words can say.
I respect my father with all my heart.
May Allah bless all mothers forever.
May Allah bless father forever.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you.